Hi, I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate, and today I'm in Rehoboth, Massachusetts at Autumn Heights New Construction Development. My buyer and I have been working with this builder for about a year. During that time, we've chosen the floor plan, the lot, the interior finishes, and the overall design. The builder's finally getting to the point where they've been able to get the foundation in the ground. It took a little while to clear the lot and make sure all the permits were in place. So if you're thinking about buying and building new construction, just realize that for the builder and for yourself, it's going to take about a year to 18 months for your new construction project from start to finish. If you're interested in finding more information about new construction in the area, trust the new construction experts here at Better Living Real Estate. We've been new construction experts for 34 years, and we know new construction in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire. I'm Bob Simone with Better Living Real Estate. Thanks for watching.